Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do a test print from a Brother MFC-J4510DW. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but a touchscreen and maybe a couple button presses as well. So we're going to go into settings on the top right hand side of the touchscreen, and once we're in there we need to go into ink, which is this option here, and then test print, the very top option. Now there's a couple kinds of test prints. We're going to go for print quality to get an idea of what the printer is capable of. Now, this will take your machine just a second. And when it's done, you'll have a print that looks something like this. It's breaking down black, yellow, cyan, magenta. Everything's looking pretty good, with the exception of a few of the dots on the black. So we're going to need some more cleaning to try and pull that through. Thankfully, we're given the option here to kind of clarify what the print quality is looking like. We'll let it know that the black's not okay, colour's looking fine, and then you can do a clean, which will focus on the black cartridge, saving you ink on your other three colours, and hopefully pulling that colour through. So, we get that going now. And you can carry on doing cleans and test pages like that until you're completely happy with the quality of the print. Now I hope this will be useful for you. If it has been, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know with a comment. Otherwise, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.